5 minus 5 times 11 minus 11. What is the answer of this question? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people start from the left and solve this question like this. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 times 11 minus 11, that equals 0, and they say the final answer of this question equals 0. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. The multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to the PEMDAS rule, in this question, first we simplify the multiplication. Negative 5 times 11 equals negative 55. Now we have 5 minus 55 minus 11. 5 minus 55 equals negative 50, and negative 50 minus 11 equals negative 61. The final answer of this question equals negative 61. Thanks for watching, guys. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.